Product promotion. With scientific and reasonable design and compact structure, YXM 500 rice washing machine is able to wash rice continuously and rapidly, capable of washing 500 kilograms rice hourly. During washing, rice and sundries such as stone, mud, chaff, and rice worm are discharged separately from different outlets at high speed. It is suitable for enterprises and institutions such as canteens, fast food departments, and food processing plants to wash the particle grains such as rice due to its high efficiency, convenient operation, and manpower, effort, and water saving. Inspection preparation. Place the machine on horizontal ground to ensure a stable and reliable working. Remove the seal, rice basket, and a water economizer. Put float and sand sieves, furnished with a machine into position. Add a seal ring to T of the water economizer before using a piston joint to connect it to the water pump inlet. Connect the sewage. Use a rubber tube to connect the water inlet of T to a city water pipe. Adjust the anchored bolts of the water economizer to make them contact the ground closely, ensuring stability. Put the rice basket on the water economizer and rotate and align the rice feeding pipe with the rice basket. Check whether current power voltage conforms to product specified voltage. A professional electrician should be asked to connect the power cable to corresponding power. Operation and maintenance. First, open the water source valve and leave the handle of a control valve at the working position of a ball valve. When water economizer is full of water, power it on. Normally, working power pressure ranges from 0.23 to 0.28 megapascal, and stone discharging pressure ranges from 0.08